What's up guys, just a quick video to show you how I repotted some of my little seedlings here that were unfortunately taken up with mold. Okay, so I have my little seed tray here and I planted some canna lilies and some zinnias in this tray. They were doing quite nicely, but I think I've been getting into a little trouble with overwatering. Some of my little cardboard containers here are getting some mold growing on it. And I think they need a little bit more room for the roots to grow. So I've decided to pot up into a bigger size up. And hopefully I can save some of these zinnias because they're still kind of hanging on. Some of them here I don't think that are gonna make it, but these are still quite healthy and will probably benefit from getting potted up. So I have my soil here. It's Miracle Grow. It does have some plant food in it, and I've pre-moistened a little bit. It's kind of a little easier to pre-moisten before you put it in the pot. That way you don't have to really water it as much once you transplant. So it's nicely moistened, has a little bit of water in there already. So I'm gonna gently take this little canna plant out. I have my little tools here. I'm gonna gently take it out, trying not to disturb the roots too much here. And they just slide right out. Nice. Okay. Some nice root action going on in there. And I'm gonna take this and transplant it into this container. It'll have a lot more room and I think it'll be a lot happier. Now you don't want to have the dirt come all the way up to the lip of the little pot because you want a little bit of room so that when you do water, it doesn't overflow. And I'm just gonna be very gentle so I don't disturb the roots too much and just tamp it down. And there you have it. That's one. So I'll keep doing that for all of the rest of these little ones and see how far we get there. So the most likely reason why these pots have been filling up with mold on the outside like this is probably because I've been overwatering a little bit too much. These pots have been sitting inside water in my little black tray here, and they've just been developing all this mold. Now, one solution that I've been doing since I've repotted is I just use a little spritz bottle. I put 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 9 parts water. So just a little bit in my watering spritz bottle there. And I just spritz it that way instead of watering it and risk putting too much water in the actual pot. So there we go. I have my cannas, the ones that look like they're going to survive anyways, all nicely potted, repotted in some fresh soil in a little bigger pot, and they're not being drowned out by too much water. And I have a few little seedlings here that were struggling that I thought, let me just try to see what they can do in this fresh dirt. So I put them here. Some of them look like they're dead. They might be, but they have really strong roots. So I thought, let me give it a try. I'm learning. So we'll see if any of these will come to fruition. I'll keep you posted.